Hi guys, welcome back. In this session, we'll be learning the Mockito. So we'll be learning one by one all these Mockito annotations. Okay, so let's see the first annotation of Mockito, that is add mock. So what is this annotation is? So this mock annotation is used to create mock objects in a test class. Here, I know as I told, mock is a fake object that simulate the behavior of the real object. So why to use at mock? Why to use at mock? Why and where to use at mock? We will use at mock to avoid calling the actual methods. We will be using at mock to avoid calling the actual methods. How to use it? How to use at mock? Let's learn how to use. So we will use at mock annotation. Okay, so we will use at mock annotation on the top of your on the top of your dependent class, on the top of your dependent class. So in our previous example, we have two services, booking service and we have payment service. We have two services. One is booking service and the payment service. Booking service is depends on payment service. So here payment service is a dependent class. So what you have to do? You have to write at mock and at the top of the payment service at you have to write at marks. So before, what we used to do, we used to write a method, right? So we used to write a method to mock the objects. We used to call mockito. We used to write something like this: mockito annotations, sorry, mockito dot mock of that dependent object. Okay, let me copy that, let me write it dot class, and this will be returning the mocked object. Okay, so let me write the mocked object and I'll say obj. Okay, so how simple it is. See, here you have to call a method and you have to return the object of that method. Over here you just write at mock on the top of the dependent class. Simple, right? Now, let's see the other annotation. Okay, so let's see the other annotation in the next video. Okay, so I hope you understood how to mock using the annotations. So we'll be using at mock on the top of the attribute so that it will be mocked automatically. Okay, fine. So, okay, let's see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.